The Moth and the Flame. It was dusk and cold. Moi Moi, a young moth, was ready for his nightly flight. Excited, he flaps his wings. And off he went. He started following a speck of light he saw at a distance. That must give me warmth on this lovely but cold evening. Moi Moi flew fast, so he could reach it at once. Not long after that, he heard a familiar voice calling from behind. It was his mother, gasping and panting. "You can be out tonight, all by yourself. Let me go with you," she said, still catching her breath. "Oh, thank you, Mother. Let's go see the beam of light, a good source of heat." Moi Moi grew more and more curious as they drew closer to the light. At last, they got close to the light. Moi Moi couldn't help but admire the lovely sight of the flame burning brightly from the oil lamp. Realizing this, Moi Moi's mother warned him not to fly too close to the flame. But the young moth was so attracted to the light and warmth that he did not mind his mother's advice. Round and round the flame he flew. Finally, he hovered so near the flame that his wings got burned. His mother hugged Moi Moi, who was badly hurt. And that is our story about the moth and the flame. Now, let's answer the questions, mga ka-learning. Did Moi Moi obey his mother? No, he did not obey his mother. What happened to him? His wings got burned. If you were Moi Moi, would you have done the same? If I were Moi Moi, I will not do that because I will be in danger and I will get hurt. What did you realize from the story? I realized that to obey your parents is good, and the Lord God will bless you. Thank you for listening, mga ka-learning. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!